Hello designers, this is Rebecca, and I'm going to show you how to export your posters as a PDF with printer registration marks and trim lines. So first you want to make sure that you set up your poster correctly in the first place. So you can do that by clicking on the new file button. And our posters are 24 inches by 36 inches. And you want to make sure that you have CMY color selected for your color mode because it is getting sent to a printer, and then hit create. So if you already set up your poster and you didn't include bleed marks, you can do that here. So you could have done it back in the setup part, but I'll show you how to do it here. You go to document setup, and from here, this is where you can edit the size of your bleeds. So just go ahead and link all of those fields, and then you can hit the up button, and this will give it an eighth of an inch bleed all the way around. And that's usually the minimum that you need. If you want to, you can add a 1/4 inch all the way around. It's not necessary, but it's there if you need it. So then go ahead and hit OK. Now you'll see the red mark show up indicating your bleed line beyond the trim line, which is just the edge of your artboard. So what you need to do is make sure that you have any background graphics, images, photos, extended all the way to that red trim line. So I'm going to have my background be black. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of the stroke. And I'm just going to draw a big black rectangle all the way from the top left corner of my bleed line down to the bottom left corner of my bleed line. So my smart guides told me they snapped it to that part, but I'm just going to go ahead and double check, and it looks good. So from there you can import any of your Photoshop images or add any of your other graphics. So this is my final poster, and it is ready to be exported. So we're going to go to File, Save, and you're going to save it as an Illustrator file first. I'm going to save it to my computer. So now I have an AI version saved, if you didn't already. And then we'll go ahead and save it as a PDF. So go to File, Save As. It's currently saving, so I gotta wait for it. All right, so I'll back to File, Save As and click where you'd like to save it. And this time for the format, you're gonna use this drop-down window and choose Adobe PDF and then hit Save. So from here, I'm not gonna use the Illustrator default. I'm going to go ahead and choose the PDFX 4 2008 version. That's going to give us a file that is a bit compressed, but still a nice large file. It's not going to lose, a lot of resolution or anything. So if you click on the compression, you're just going to double check that your bicubic downsampling is 300 dpi and no less than that. And this bottom one, we can leave at 1200. That all looks good. Then you're going to click on the marks and bleeds option there and go ahead and check all printer marks. And then for the bleed area, check the use document bleed setting. So that's going to give us that 1/8 of an inch all the way around. And this all looks good. So go ahead and hit save PDF. Oh, let's go ahead and go back to general real fast. Make sure you check the view PDF after saving because that'll open your PDF in Acrobat automatically. Click save PDF and we'll wait for it to save. All right, so it automatically launched Acrobat for us. I'm going to hit Command 0 to show the whole poster in the window there. And now you can see our beautiful crop marks and trim lines up here, all of our registration marks and color coding. It's all perfect. And that's how you do it.